2007 Honda Ridgeline, and this is how I go and do service calls in it. I keep pretty much what I need set up as far as my welders in there at all times, and the other equipment that I need on the job site, I just grab it as I need it to put it in the truck. But I think the Ridgelines are great because the gas economy, the trunk, but you don't have to have a big toolbox because you got a trunk, and you can store your welder on the back of it. You can pull your RV if you have a small RV to do mobile jobs. You can pull it. Like I say, it's pretty incognito, and you don't have to worry about theft because it's pretty good as far as stealth goes. So you don't have to worry about nobody stealing your truck. More like having an older Chevy. You know what I mean? You can an older Chevy or certain Fords. You have to worry about someone jacking you, stealing the whole truck. I have known people having a whole service truck jacked while they was staying at a hotel or on a job site. So it can happen, but like I say, I like the Honda Ridgelines, and I think if you're going to invest in a service truck or use one and you want to try one out, man, I most definitely try one. This is mine. Hold on.